professional examinations like related party transactions, all these contents are very important on your part to know. Okay. Let us discuss types of directors. Number one, nominee director. Nominee means nominated by somebody. Nominated by somebody means what? The public financial institution or any financial institution, lending institution which has given a loan to the company wants its representative in the company. If it is loan in crores of rupees, such lending institution wants what is going inside the company. So they will put nominee director who will inform the bank that yes, our loan is secured, all decisions are right, everything is going fine. Second is an alternate director. Alternate at the place of somebody. If Mr. X is a director and he is going out of state for a period of 3 months, his office will be vacant. So one additional director will be appointed at his place. And he will vacate office once the original director comes. But alternate director cannot work as a proxy for original director. He cannot sign on prospectus. He cannot authenticate certain documents on behalf of original director. He can take his administrative powers functions for a time being, but it has limitation. First directors are the signatories to the memorandum of association of the company. Last semester I taught you, in company formation, memorandum of association is the charter of the company which requires to be submitted to register of companies. The people who sign in case of public company, minimum 7 persons sign that memorandum. They are first directors of the company. They shall hold their office till the conclusion of first annual general meeting. And in first annual general meeting, new board of directors is appointed by the shareholders of the company. Additional directors. Additional means over and above the existing directors, additional directors are appointed. In case of large volume transaction companies, large scale companies, additional directors are required to perform some additional functions of directors. But here, if a person is not appointed as a director in annual general meeting, he cannot be appointed by the board as an additional director. Very important condition. Technical directors. What is technical directors? Technical director is a person who is assumed to perform technical functions. Having technical knowledge, technical expertise, professional qualification, like engineers, architects, many more technical qualifications have been provided. Exactly. If any mechanical engineer having MTech is appointed to look after the production process of the company, machine maintenance of the company, in case of heavy manufacturing plant, then he can be taken as a technical director and can be entrusted with the responsibility of machine maintenance throughout the plant as plant in charge. Permanent directors are the directors who will be continued forever, who will not be retired by rotation. Otherwise, for a public company, every year, 2/3 directors will retire by rotation. And old directors will continue as 1/3. Again, in next slot, they will be retired. So, retirement by rotation is compulsory for public companies. Number 7, executive director. The role of executive director is to look after day-to-day operations of the company. Right from minute things, small things to large. In all processes, executive director is supposed to look keenly. He shall be present whole time in the organization in the company, and he is entrusted with substantial powers of administration. Are you understanding? So, role of executive director is administrative in nature, right from small things to large things. And day-to-day operations, he has to control, he has to report to the top management. Very important role of executive director. Non-executive director may not be full-time. There is radical difference between executive and non-executive. Non-executive director is appointed for specific functions, not day-to-day operations. For the given task only he has to work. That is non-executive director. Director appointed in a casual vacancy. There may be a death, resignation, or accident, or insolvency of any existing director. In such cases, casual vacancy can be filled by the board of directors. Such director can continue his office till the conclusion of next annual general meeting of the shareholders. Independent directors. The new Companies Act 2013 introduced this concept. Independent director. Who is independent director? Number one, who is appointed through a data bank. What is data bank? Data bank is the list of directors, qualified people who can work as a director throughout India. MCA portal, Ministry of Company Affairs, MCA 21 portal contains data bank in which names, contact numbers, email IDs of all such directors throughout the country have been already recorded. That data bank person can be selected, he can be appointed as a director. Number two, he do not have had taken any pecuniary benefits from such company in which he is going to be appointed as independent director. Third, he shall not be a promoter of a company. Fourth, he shall not be anywhere related, anywhere interested in such company. He shall not be a relative of directors of the company, promoters of the company. Is that clear? So such person who is not indebted to the company for any amount, any person who do not hold any securities of the company, shares, scrips, bonds, debentures, anything, he is nowhere related to the company, but his name is there in data bank. He becomes an independent director. My friends, I must tell you, the new Companies Act has made it compulsory. At least two-thirds directors must be independent directors if it is listed company. What is listed company? The company which is listed on a recognized stock exchange like Bombay Stock Exchange, BSE. If it is listed, then it must have two-thirds independent directors. Why? Because public company is the company in which the public is substantially interested. It has invested its capital, and it is the responsibility of the government to protect the funds of investors. And that's why the machinery like SEBI, Securities Exchange Board of India, had been set up in the year 1992 to control and regulate the affairs of the companies. And if two-thirds directors will be independent, then company will go in a certain right direction and not in the direction only decided by some people who get pecuniary benefits from the organization. And that is why independent director, very crucial role is played by an independent director. Interested director, yesterday I taught you. The person, any director who has financial or another interest in any of the contracts of the company, if his related parties, relatives are applying with tender which have financial benefits, then he has to disclose his interest in writing to the company that my relative X, Y had applied in this tender, so I am interested indirectly, so I should stay out myself. I will not attend the meeting of board of directors, the meeting in which the agenda is to discuss the particular contract in which my relative is interested. This is what the responsibility of interested director. If he do not do so, then he can be terminated, can be removed from the position of a director later on. So I hope it is understood. Full-time director. Yesterday I told you 5 positions as KMP: managing director, manager, company secretary, full-time director, and CEO, chief executive officer of the